How to fix your account cannot be used in this location. Netflix. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. The first step what you have to do is go to Play Store and then search for Netflix. Then if there is an update button, simply update it to its latest version. Next step, go to Settings, go to Apps, find Netflix, go to its storage section, tap on clear cache and also tap on clear data. After that, log into Netflix again and your problem will be fixed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.